Introducing BharathVerify, a revolutionary biometric voting verification system. We ensure faster, secure, and transparent elections using fingerprint, voice recognition, and blockchain. With real-time monitoring, emergency support, and AI-powered fraud detection, voting has never been safer. Let's get into the prototype. So this is the login page where the officer will be seen, and the new officer need to be registered in the registration page, where he need to enter the full name, government email, mobile number, Aadhaar, and his respective state, district, and then the role he is going to play on the election day, where we will be sending the email and password to his respective government email on before the election day after the verification. So that's the thing he's going to get in the pop-up, that he'll be receiving his credentials after the verification. So this is the, as we're using the Firebase as the backend, all the registrations will be stored in the backend like this. And we have created 2 demo accounts where we'll be linking the constituency list to the respective government email. These are the demo emails that we have linked. So this is, we are going to enter and his password and login. So this is the dashboard that the officer will be seeing, where he'll be seeing the total voters, verified voters, manual checks, and the average time per verification. These are the hourly voting patterns that can be seen in between the hours. And these are the last 5 voter verifications that he can see. So this is how we can start the new verification, where the first verification is the fingerprint. So voter need to be place his finger on the scanner. This will be stored in the blockchain. Second is the voice verification, where he can change, where the voter can be changed in his regional languages as well. So we'll be starting the recording, and even this will be stored in the blockchain. So after completely successful verification, so as you can see, this is the recent last verification that has been done by the voter. We can see his details like voter ID, Aadhaar, booth number, and verification time and the status. So as you can see, that has been updated in the hourly voting pattern as well. So as we have the support emergency and then support as well. In the emergency, where we have connected the Google Map API, where you can see your officer location and the nearest police station and then hospitals, where if we click on the confirm emergency, and signal will be sent to the local authorities. And we have an support chat as well, where we have connected Gemini API, where if the officer has any technical doubts, he can be asking to our chatbot. And we have a video call as well, where officer can be directly connected to the local technician, where we have used the Google Meet API. So as you can see, the Google Meet has been opening. So as you can see, the Google Meet is opening. And you can see the voter list who has been voted on the particular day, how many manual checks, and then how many have been verified. So for manual check verification, we have dual authentication, where we need 2 officers IDs and then passwords for the overriding and manual verification. We need to verify the officer 1, and then we need to enter the officer ID of the second officer and his password, and then we should verify the second officer. So we can choose any method to complete the verification, approve, and we can write any notes and then complete the verification, and then the manual verification will get verified successfully after the dual authentication of 2 officers. So we have a future development that we can implement an heat map, and where you can see unusual patterns or active alerts, and you can change the website to the regional languages as well according to the user, as we have made very simple UI to understand for any level of officer. We can change the theme as well. So we can see the original constituency, that constituency list as well, and we can add the name, Aadhaar number, and we can add it to the constitution list as well in any situation. Thank you.